Okay, now we're going to do how to draw the text or words, diversity, unity in diversity. Okay. So I'm going to use pencil on this one. I'm going to go U-N-I-T-Y, and then in, and then give myself way more space over here. Diversity. All right. I've written it all in capital letters. Now I'm going to go back and give it some shape into block letters. And we just make those letters, lines into shapes. So rectangle, rectangle, and rectangle. And then you can just erase the lines on the inside. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle. 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 These are just rectangles. A lot of these letters are just rectangles. Rectangle. And then here, there's the easiest one. We just do a little D inside the D. And then I, V, just rectangles, rectangles, rectangles. Don't worry about them making them so super neat and orderly. You're gonna paint inside them anyway, so it's I wouldn't worry about making them perfect, because you're gonna mess them up with paint and then make them perfect, making them really good with paint anyway. So don't worry about making the drawing perfect, whatever you think that means. There we go. Just all rectangles. And there you go. Unity in diversity. And then you could put a little BLM thing here somewhere. Yeah, it's up to you. Color. Lots of color too. Maybe some outlines. There you go.